This 500 peso graphene coating, is it actually worth it? Imagine turning your dull car into a mirror finish in just 5 minutes. But here's the question, is this too good to be true? This is PTZ Crystal Serum Graphene Ceramic Coating. Cheap, viral, and all over TikTok. It claims 9H hardness, crazy gloss, and even 10+ years protection. Plus, water just slides off your paint. But here's what actually matters. It does improve shine instantly, you'll see water beading after application, and it's super easy DIY, wipe on, wipe off. But don't get fooled. Most graphene coatings at this price, they're closer to temporary sealants, not real long-term protection. In fact, even experts say graphene is often more of a marketing upgrade than a real performance jump over ceramic coatings. So here's the truth. Good for quick shine and hydrophobic effect, not a replacement for professional ceramic coating. If you want cheap shine, go for it. But if you want real protection, you might need something stronger. Follow for honest car reviews. No hype, just facts.